Chef Ballo, yeah. Step up the stove on them, brother. Yeah, Shabba.
Yeah, big up Chef Ballo. Chef Ballo, yeah, the body chef.
Chef Ballo. And the rebel and dancing and blasting, the one and only Chef Ballo.
I want place if you go. Which part me I talk about? Chef Ballo.
No, Chef Ballo. Hello, Rasta.
Yo, what's up, Chef Ballo? It's your boy Scott Storch cooking up that fire.
Yeah, this is Kashif Lindo. Maximum respect every time to Chef Ballo, the greatest chef worldwide. For real. Listen. Chef Ballo is the champion cook in your town. Outside of skills, he's just fun to be around. Dependable and mobile, quick to reach your door. You lick your fingers and ask for more. Oh yeah, you can't go back after tasting, that's for sure. Oh yeah, Chef Ballo, your meals are tasty. Everybody knows when call your wheels are ready. That's how it goes. Chef Ballo deliver anytime, any place. Oh yeah, his food always put a smile on your face.